Import memory to Gemini. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People look for this tutorial because they want to move their chat history, preferences, and context between tools like Gemini and Claude without starting from zero. To import memory to Gemini using another AI agent like Claude, start by opening your browser as usual. Move to the search bar and type Gemini, then press enter and click the first link that shows up. Once the page loads, log in or sign in so your account is ready. After you enter the main page, open the settings menu and look for the option called Import Memory to Gemini. Inside that section, you will see a prompt displayed above, and you need to copy that prompt because it will be used in another tool. When the prompt is copied, open a new tab in your browser. Go back to the search bar and search for the AI agent you normally use. For example, if you use Claude, type the name and press enter. Click the first link that appears so you can enter the platform. Log into your account so the features inside the settings menu become available. Once you are inside, open the settings and find the menu called Capabilities. Inside that part, make sure that the option labeled Generate Memory from Chat History is enabled so the agent is able to create the memory you need. After confirming that the option is active, go back to the main chat page inside Claude. Move to the prompt bar and paste the prompt you copied earlier from Gemini. Let the system generate the memory based on your chat history. Wait until the result appears fully on the screen. When the generated memory is complete, copy everything carefully so nothing is missing. With the copied memory ready, return to the Gemini tab in your browser. If you closed the settings earlier, open them again and go back to the same section called Import Memory to Gemini. Inside that space, there will be an input area where you can paste the memory you copied from Claude. Paste the full content into the field so Gemini can read it properly. After that, press the Add Memory button to start the import process. Wait for a moment while Gemini processes the added memory. When the loading is done, the content from your other AI agent will be stored safely inside Gemini.